My people, success is a choice. Success is a choice. Yes, success is a choice. It's not by error. It's not a miracle. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that God doesn't intervene, of course. But there's a part that you have to do yourself. That is where you make a choice to succeed or not. Success is a choice. You can decide if you want to succeed or not. And that's it. You deciding to succeed is simple. Choose to do what is right, what has to be done, when it has to be done, and do it no matter what. Discipline, commitment, and consistency till you get there. Many starts, very few get to the limelight. The thing is this: path to success is always difficult. Oh yes, it's not easy. If it was easy, everybody would be doing it anyhow. Yes, you know. But it is very possible. All you need to do is to point out what you have to do. Set the goal. Discipline yourself. Start. Commit yourself to it to get it done. Stay consistent on what you are doing. You will get there. Guess what? You're already there. You just need to keep going. You'll see it. We'll meet at the end of the tunnel. Let's celebrate success together. You already know. Stay focused.